Well, Grove City will soon help some people pay for their health insurance. Just last night, the City Council voted to approve money for insurance through a new program called Grove City Cares. Those eligible will have to make less than $30,000 a year. 10 TV's Tara Jabor joins us live now from Grove City. And Tara, you talked with council and residents today. What did the city, or why, I guess, the city wanted to start this program?
Colin, absolutely. I spoke to a member of Grove City City Council today who told me about a third of the people who live here in Grove City do not have insurance. Now, he wanted to change that, and now the city is stepping up to help those who are in need.
This effort started.
Ted Berry, a councilman for Grove City, says the more he talked to people in the community, the more he realized that health care is unaffordable for a lot of residents.
You go out to a restaurant, you're talking to people that are serving you, you're talking to people that are helping you landscape your yard, or you're just talking to people in going to the grocery store. These people don't have health insurance.
He met with the mayor over a year ago to talk ideas, and they found that two groups of people need health insurance the most: the elderly and those who are low income.
And those part-time jobs, as we know, don't pay for health care. There's senior citizens in our community that have the federal program, of course, and then they may have some savings, but there's that gap where they can't afford medicines and things like that.
The city won't pay for all of the insurance. They will cover monthly payments for those on Medicaid and help pay for secondary insurance for the elderly.
People that are making that income, they're more worried about food, a place to stay, transportation, and those things. Healthcare is a secondary thing to them.
We spoke to people who live in Grove City today about the plan. Most people we spoke to say they support it.
That's a great idea. This year, one of my prescriptions went up, and I take 8 prescriptions. One of them cost over $400.
Health insurance should not be something that we have to worry about in a country that is supposed to be free.
It would be awesome. I mean, because I make under $30,000 and I have to buy my own medicine.
Barry says he hopes the program changes people's lives, but he knows that not everyone supports it.
What would you say to people who live in Grove City that don't support this program and don't want to pay for other people's health insurance?
As a society, we come together and we try to help out each other and lift each other up.
Now, the city has not yet determined how much money they will allocate towards this program. They're forming a committee to figure that out. Reporting live in Grove City, Tara Jabor, 10 TV News.